the outgoing Panchayat members for all the good job they have done for the village. May God bless them. I am happy today to have the Panchayat members along with me, and I will work as a Sarpanch for the village, for the development of our village and for the environment. I am grateful to each and every ward members, our village members who have stood by us, have voted and elected us. And I will always do my best for the village. I promise to be by them in all the problems people face. I thank each one of my village members.
I would like to thank Francis, Oliver and Nandita madam and new Sarpanch of us, Mrs. Diana, and I would like again thank you for giving me a chance to make me. I'll try to work as much as I can for this village.
आमकां वोट केला तेका आमी थँक्यू म्हणटा आनी आमी आमचे पंचायत काम केले आमची आनी आमचे जे काम हा मेन इश्यू आमचो डबल ट्रॅकाचो तो आमी ऑब्जेक्ट करपाक आहे आनी तेचे आमचे ऑब्जेक्ट करतले आमचे दोयऱ्या वाळो इश्यू आहा सगळे आमी आडकून हाडटले आमी आडायतले.
पयले स्वातेर हांव देवाक दिनवासता की आमचो हे इलेक्शन प्रोसेस व्हेरी पिसफूल मॅनर एंड इन अ सिविलायज मॅनर कंडक्ट केलो म्हणून म्हाजे हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा द प्रिवियस पंच मेंबर्स आमच्या हिंग जायत्यो हिंगा प्रॉब्लम आसली डबल ट्रॅकिंगाची स्पेसिफिकली आनी तेणी दे इवन वेंट टू द एक्सटेंट ऑफ गोईंग टू द हायकोर्ट फायलिंग पेटिशन्स अगेन्स्ट डबल ट्रॅकिंग which I am sure the new body which is going to be formed will take this movement forward. Double tracking is the bane of our society here because with it comes various ills, especially pollution, which is causing grave risk to our health. And we as Gouveia Court had thank the people for reposing their faith in our candidates. Let me state here that we have spent very minimum money. In fact, I cannot even mention it. It is less than 4,000 dirham that you can check it on our on the accounts. This is what we have done. We have brought grassroots level politics, if you can say it is politics, to the people, to being people-centric. And we are proud of our village, the three villages of Velsao, Pali, Isorshi, that have stood by us. And that's what I have to say for today.